All right, what's up, Bandits? Have you ever heard of Cherry Bounce? It's wild turkey 151 mixed with sugar and fresh depitted cherries and left to sit for like 4 months. It is delicious. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically do that with any berries. This is gooseberry, and we're going to make it with gin and sugar. The first step, you could certainly cut these, but we're going to take the ends off of them, and they basically open up, and that's what you want. There's a lot of gooseberries here. Our ratio is 1 cup of gooseberries. Here we go. See what she did there? 1 cup of gooseberries and 1 cup of sugar, and then a whole bunch of booze. All right, it's break time. Welcome to my channel. Click that subscribe button, like this video if it's helping you out, and share this with somebody that you know. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and check the links in the description. This is a really nice holiday, nice and warm drink. And we're going to get all of those in there. Hole in one, baby. Now we're going to pour the sugar in. By the way, we're putting this in a growler. And you want this to be whatever bottle you use or jar that you use. You can use like a big mason jar if you have one of those. You want it to be sealable, right? So we're going to makeshift a funnel here. No, we don't have a funnel. Why don't we have a funnel? We need a funnel. Oh, wait, we can save money by just DIYing it. All right, here we go. We're going to pour our cup of sugar in there carefully. We've got our gooseberries in there already that have been kind of opened up. And you really do want to have sugar in this drink. Okay. Boom. Sugar in. Now we're going to open up our gin. We've got a full fifth. And you want the pretty high octane stuff. I would say 100 proof or more. Because you want that to basically kill off anything. This is going to be sitting for 4 months, I kid you not. And every day you're going to walk by and you're going to bounce it. Maybe not every day, but every couple of days you should pick it up and shake it. And that's going to release those gooseberries, all that flavor. If you're using cherries, it's going to release the cherries, and it's going to make sure that all that alcohol coats all surfaces so that nothing grows in there. Well, that's what we do anyway. And we date it. Give it a good initial shake. Get everything mixed up in there. And like I said, bounce it every couple of days or so for 4 months. And by the time the holidays come, you've got yourself a lovely drink. Stay sneaky.